The RP35 is an automatic door bottom draft excluder. Every door needs a gap between the door and the doorstep so that it can operate freely regardless of the weather or how the house may move a little bit over time. The RP35 works by having an internal blade that automatically drops down and seals against the doorstep when the door is closed and lifts up automatically out of the way when the door is open. It's a very high quality device. We've been fitting this for 10 years and never had to replace a single one.